By now you will have received the link to your online Meitheal scheduler. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. The registration process is really quite simple. If you attended Meitheal in 2018, your details will already be in the system. So simply enter the same email that you used to register in 2018 and you will receive an email with instructions on what you need to do next to reuse your data from last year. If you are either completely new to Meitheal or attended Meitheal prior to 2018, you will need to create a new profile. So simply select the checkbox to accept the conditions of use and click Continue. The first step in the process is completing your company profile, which describes the type of business you are and the sectors and markets that you operate in. Please ensure that your company description describes exactly your product offering and entices the overseas buyer to request a meeting with you. The more information you provide, the better chance you have of your meeting requests being accepted. You have the option to upload your company logo or image. The logo will automatically scale to size once it is uploaded. There are no dimension requirements. Click Next to move on to your personal profile. Here you enter your personal details, which includes things like your contact details, your role, and your profile picture. Now make sure to use a good professional personal profile picture, not a selfie, and preferably a recent one so that it's easy for people who are meeting you to recognise you. You also will need to create a password to access the system. Proceed to carefully choose the day or days you are confirmed to attend Meitheal. Make sure to choose the correct day or days as stated on your payment receipt from Promotions Ireland. Click Next to move on to your product profile. In the product profile section, the title field is very important, as this is what the overseas buyers will filter through when searching for suitable suppliers. For example, you will see that this title is very descriptive and relevant, and the overseas buyer will easily be able to identify the product offering. Give a clear and full description of your offering, the product and services you provide, to whom and where you are located. The more information you provide, the better chance you have of your meeting request being accepted. It is imperative that you select the keywords that best describe your product offering. It might be that you have multiple keywords to select. For example, you may be a 4-star property with a golf offering, a spa offering, and also access to walking trails. So in this case, you would select all of these relevant keywords. You need to make sure you select all the relevant keywords, as this is one of the search tools the overseas buyers can use to search for suitable suppliers and then go on to request appointments. There is also an option for you to upload your product image. Once you are ready, click Next to move on. The fourth and final step provides you with a summary of your company, personal, and product profiles. So finish off by checking that all your information is correct, especially the images, as this will be the first time you will actually see how they appear. And when you're ready, click Next to complete your registration. The last screen verifies that you have successfully completed your registration for Meitheal. You now need to wait for your profile to be validated, which will be done within 24 to 48 hours, weekdays only. Once your account has been validated, you can log in with your details and start researching and networking with overseas buyers. When you log in, you are brought to your very own personal Meitheal dashboard. And on the dashboard there are a number of facilities available to you. For example, you can view your calendar for each day. Simply click on any of the dates to go straight to your detailed calendar for that specific day. There's a section which shows you profiles you might be interested in, and these are generally based on profiles that match the details and keywords that you entered when you registered. And there is also a new profile section which shows you the recently added overseas buyers. Now, even though you are not able to request appointments at this stage, it is still a good idea to start doing some research to see what overseas buyers you might be interested in meeting during Meitheal. You can do this by either clicking on the company catalogue from the top menu or by selecting Request New Meetings from the left-hand side menu. This shows you a list of all the overseas buyers attending Meitheal this year. One of the quickest and best ways for you to find profiles that you might be interested in is using the My Match feature. So click on the My Match button to quickly identify matches for either your company, personal or product profiles. You can also perform manual searches of the buyers or the products on offer based on the sessions they are attending, the markets or countries they operate in, and also by keywords. If you do find a profile of interest to you, simply click on their name to view more details. Keep a note of this profile so you can come back and request an appointment with them at a later date. The facility for you to request appointments with overseas buyers will be made available to the Irish industry in a few weeks' time, and we will post a follow-up video to this one to show you exactly what you need to do. A link to this follow-up video will be posted in the YouTube comments below this one. If you have any questions or need support with any technical issues, you can always request help via your profile menu in the top right of the screen. All support issues are answered within 24 hours, weekdays only. And that's it. We hope this video helps you to successfully create your profile for Meitheal and to start your research into suitable buyers you may like to meet during Meitheal. Thank you for watching.